want to go home. I want to go home. I want to go home.
God, don't do this. Do not do this right now, please.
Stop talking.
Don't do
Why
that.
would we play Minecraft again on hardcore? You know how long it's been
I didn't know who's 3 new balls this. How was I supposed to know?
We've been playing for 98 hours, B. How many do we have left? Did we get them all? Did you get them?
No, listen, you're going to take the warden, and I'm going to...
What is a warden? What is a warden, B?
Oh my gosh, we might be cooked.
What?
This stream is going to take forever. You don't know what the warden is.
No, I don't. But let me tell you something, okay? You go right, and I'm going to go left. But whatever happens, happens.
If you die this time, I'm going to kill you.
3, 2,